25th problem. In the given figure, ABCD is a square of side 5 centimeters inscribed in a circle. Find first bit the radius of a circle, second bit the area of shaded region. Take pi as 3.14 inscribed. See the figure. Circle is given. A square is there of 5 centimeters. AC or BD are the diagonals of a square. The diagonal of a square is equal to the diameter of a circle. What? Diagonal of a square is equal to diameter of a circle. So, we are going to find the radius first. Solution given. What is given? They have given side of a square. Side of a square. How much they have given? 5 centimeters. Able to follow? Find area. Area of a square. Side into side. Side into side. Or we can write as A into A. That is A square. That is equal to 5 into 5 square centimeters. 25 centimeters square also correct one. So, now find diagonal. Diagonal of a square. Diagonal of a square. What is the formula for diagonal of a square? Root 2 into side or root 2 into A, that is equal to root 2 into 5 centimeters, that is equal to 5 root 2 centimeters. Now just now I told you diagonal of a square is equal to diameter of the circle, because the square is inscribed in that circle. So diameter of the circle. Both how much? 5 root 2 centimeters. Now we want radius. Radius of a circle. Radius of a circle. What is the radius of a circle? Diameter by 2. Diameter by divided by 2. Diameter by 2, that is equal to 5 root 2 by 2. Keep like this. Radius we got 5 root 2 by 2 centimeters. Area of a circle. Area of a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. Pi means they told to take as 3.14 into radius. Just now we got 5 root 2 by 2 whole square centimeters area. So 3.14 into 5 5s are 25. Root 2 into root 2 2 by 2 2s are 4 square centimeters. 2 goes 2 times. Here this 2 goes. 2 1s are 2, 1 remaining. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. That is equal to 1.57 into 25 centimeter square. Multiply 1.57 into 25. 35 3, 25 28 2, 5 7, 14 1, 10 11 1, 3, 5 12 9 3. After 2 digits. So how much we got means 39.25 centimeter square. Are you able to follow? What we got? Area of a circle. They are asking to find area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region means area of a circle minus area of a square. Area of a square. How much we got? Area of a circle 39.25. Area of a square 5 5 are 25. We got centimeter square or square centimeters. Now subtract 39.25 minus 25. 0.00 I keep. So 0.25. 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is the area of the shaded portion? 14.25 centimeter square. Write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of shaded region is equal to 14.25 centimeter square. Write the conclusion. Shaded region. 26th problem. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Can you see? ABCD is a rectangle inscribed in a circle. It is inscribed in a circle with two adjacent sides of a rectangle B, 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Adjacent means side by side. Longest will be 8, the shortest length will be 8, breadth is 6 centimeters. Calculate the radius of the circle. We have to calculate the radius and the area of the shaded region we have to take pi as 3.14. AC or BD are diagonals of a rectangle. In a rectangle, diagonals are equal. You know the properties of a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Each angle is 90. Diagonals are equal. Now listen carefully. Solution. Given length of a rectangle. How much they have given? 8 centimeters. Length of a rectangle is equal to 8 centimeters. Next, breadth of a rectangle. Breadth of a rectangle. How much they have given? 6 centimeters. Find area. Area of a rectangle. Formula. What is the formula? Length into breadth, L into B. That is equal to 8 into 6 centimeter square. That is equal to 48 centimeter square. Now, diagonal of a rectangle. Diagonal of a rectangle. What is the formula for diagonal of a rectangle? Square root of L square plus B square. That is equal to square root of 8 square plus 6 square. That is equal to square root of 8 8s are 64. 6 6 are 36. If you add, you will get 100 centimeters. What is the square root of 100 means? 10. 10 centimeters we got. What we got? Diagonal of a rectangle. Diagonal of a rectangle is equal to 10 centimeters. We got 10 centimeters. We know that diagonal of a rectangle is equal to diameter of a circle. That we will do. Now, diagonal of a rectangle is equal to diameter of a circle. In the given figure, in this figure only, diameter of a circle, that is equal to 10 centimeters. Now find the radius. Radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is equal to diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. That is equal to 10 by 2. 2 goes 5 times. So radius how much we got means 5 centimeters we got. Now find area of a circle. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. They told pi as 3.14 into 5 square centimeters or centimeter square. 3.14 into 25 centimeter square. Now multiply. 3.14 into 25. 25 fours are 100, 0, 10. 25 1 is 25. So 35. Here 5. Again 3 remaining. 25 3 75. 75 plus 3 78. After 2 digits. So how much you got means 78.50 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Now they are asking to find area of the shaded region. Shaded region. How to find area of a circle minus area of a rectangle. Then we will get area of the shaded region. Area of a circle minus area of a rectangle. How much we got area of a circle? 78.50 minus 48.00 centimeter square. L into B. It's 6 and 48. So 78.50 minus 48, subtract, you get 0, 3. So how much you got means 30.50 centimeter square. What is this one? Therefore the shaded region, area of the shaded region is equal to 30.50 centimeter square. Write that one. Conclusion. 28th problem. Find the area of the unshaded portion, not shaded, unshaded portion of the given figure within the rectangle. Take pi is equal to 3.14. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. Diameter will be how much? 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters, and that one will be 3 centimeters. So total AB how much means 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 3 is 15 centimeters is length of the rectangle. Coming to breadth, here 3 and 3 6 centimeters. So breadth is equal to 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Breadth is equal to 6 centimeters. Now we got length and breadth of a rectangle. Solution given length of a rectangle. Length of a rectangle. What is the length of the rectangle? Is equal to 2 diameters. 2 diameters of a circle plus radius of one semicircle. One semicircle. Write clearly for your understanding. That is equal to 6 plus 6 plus 3. 15 centimeters is length. Next breadth. breadth of a rectangle. How we calculate breadth of a rectangle means is equal to diameter of a circle. Diameter of a circle. How much is diameter means? That is equal to 3 plus 3. Diameter no radius they have given 3 centimeters plus 3 centimeters. That is equal to 6 centimeters. What is 3 centimeters? Radius they have given. Only radius of the circle they have given. Radius of a circle. How much they have given? 3 centimeters. With this we found length and breadth. Now find area. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is equal to 15 into 6 centimeters square. How much? 90 centimeters square. 15 6 are 90. Now find area of a circle. Area of a circle. What is the formula? Pi r square. Pi means 3.14 into 3 into 3 centimeters square. That is equal to 3.14 into 9 because 3 3s are 9. Multiply. 9 4s are 36. 6 3. 9 1s are 9 plus 3 12. 1. Decimal. 27 28. So 28. 28.26 centimeters square. Write that one. Now how many circles are there? 2.5 circles are there. So area of 2.5 circles. Area of 2.5 circles. That is equal to 28.26 plus 28.26 plus in 28 half 14 plus 13 because 28 point that half 2.5 no centimeters square. Now add carefully. 28.26 28.26 14.13 12 15 1 6 point 16 20 0 2 6 7. How much you got means 70.65 centimeters square. Are you able to follow? Now they told to find area of the unshaded portion. They told to find area of the unshaded portion of the given figure. Given figure within the rectangle. Within the rectangle. How to find means is equal to area of a rectangle minus area of 2.5 circles. That is equal to area of a rectangle. How much we got? 90 minus this 2.5 circles we got 70.65. So centimeters square. Now subtract 90 minus 70.65. We are going to borrow. Here 8 will be there. 9, 9, 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here 9. 8 minus 7 is 1. So how much we got unshaded means 19.35 centimeters square. Write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of the unshaded portion of the given figure within the rectangle is equal to 19.35 centimeters square. 30th problem. In the given figure, AB is diameter of the circle. Diameter of a circle. AB is the diameter of a circle with center O. With center O. And OA is equal to 7 centimeters. OA is equal to 7 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. Only the shaded region we have to find area. We have to find that area. Okay. Now solution given. What is given means diameter is given. Diameter of smaller circle. Smaller circle. How much they have given means OA is equal to 7 centimeters. That is the diameter. That is the radius of the larger circle, but it is diameter of the smaller circle. Next, now find radius. Radius of the smaller circle. Smaller circle. Formula is diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. That is equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. You can write as 3.5 centimeters. 3.5 centimeters. Now find area. Area of smaller circle. What is the formula? Pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 you write. 7 cancels one time. This 2 goes here 11 times. 7 11s are 77. 77 by 2 centimeters square. Don't forget that one. Area always. With 2 you divide. 2 3s are 6. 1 remaining. 2 8s are 16. 1 remaining. So 5. 38.5 centimeters square. What? Area of smaller circle. Next, find area of a, first find the radius. Radius of a larger semicircle is 7 centimeters. Radius of larger semicircle is 7 centimeters. Now, area of a semicircle. Semicircle. Formula. Half pi r square. Half pi r square. 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 centimeter square. 7 goes 1 time. 2 goes 11 times. 11 sevens are 77. 77 centimeter square. What is this one? Area of a semicircle we got as 77 centimeter square. Now, area of triangle CDB is equal to half base into height. Formula of a triangle. Half base into height. That is equal to half base is CD and height is OB. Square centimeters. That is equal to 7 plus 7 base. 14 into 7 centimeters. 7 plus 7 14 and this is 7 height. Now 2 goes in 14, 7 times. 7 sevens are 49 centimeters square. Now they are asking to find area of the shaded region. They told to find area of the shaded region is equal to area of smaller circle plus, here little working is there, area of semicircle, larger semicircle you write, area of larger semicircle minus area of a triangle. This much you have to do. So that is equal to how much you got? Area of a smaller circle 38.5 minus of area of semicircle you got 77 minus 49. This all you have to simplify centimeter square. First you subtract 77 minus 49. 77 minus 49. How much you got? Here 17. So 8. Here 6 minus 4 is 2. So 38.5 minus 28 centimeter square. Now subtract from 38.5, subtract 28.0, 0.501. How much you got? 10.5 centimeter square. Here addition, sorry, plus you have to do. Here we have to add. When we add, here 0.5, 16, 1, 6. So here addition, area of smaller circle plus this. How to get means area of larger semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of triangle, this triangle. So we simplified here. And we have to add, not subtract. So when we added, we got 66.5 centimeter square. That is the answer. Write the conclusion. Therefore, the area of shaded region in the given figure is equal to 66.5 centimeter square. 32 problem. In the given figure, ABCD is a piece of cardboard in the shape of a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD, comma, angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. From the piece, quarter circle BEFC is removed. Given DC is equal to BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters and AE they have given 2 centimeters. Calculate the area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. DC and BC they have given 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 centimeters. This also 4.2 centimeters. If this is 4.2, this is the radius of a quarter circle. This also will be 4.2 centimeters. And AE they have given 2 centimeters. So total how much means 6.2 centimeters AB. Now solution given. Parallel sides of a trapezium are AB is equal to A, we will think 6.2 centimeters, and CD we will think as B, that is equal to 4.2 centimeters, and distance between the two parallel sides, parallel sides of a trapezium is H, we will think H is equal to 4.2 centimeters. The distance between these two parallel 90 degrees they told. We can think altitude also or perpendicular bisect, whatever may. Now, area of a trapezium. What is the formula? Area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium is equal to half into A plus B into H square centimeters, that is equal to half. A is 6.2 plus 4.2 into again H 4.2 centimeter square. Calculate. Now that is equal to half into 6.2 plus 4.2 into 4.2 centimeter square, that is called 1 by 2 into 10.4 into 4.2 centimeter square. 2 goes 2.1, multiply 10.4 into 2.1, 104, 8, 0, 2, 4, 8, 1, 2. After 2 digits, 1, 2. After 2 digits, that is equal to how much we got? Area of a trapezium is 21.84 centimeter square. Next, radius of a quarter circle, 1/4 of a circle, quarter circle, that is equal to 4R is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Now, area of a quarter circle. Quarter means 1/4. Semicircle means half. So 1/4 pi r square. That is equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. 4.2 into 4.2 centimeter square. 7 goes 0.6 times. 2 2s are 2 11s are. Again this 2 goes here, 0.3 times. Now calculate. 4.2 into 0.3. 2 3s are 6. 4 12. After 2 digits, 1.26 into 11. 126. 126. 6, 8, 3, 1. After 2 digits. So that is equal to 13.86 centimeter square. Now we got area of a quarter circle. Now from this piece of quarter circle BEFC is removed. From this piece, this quarter circle is removed. They are asking to find area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. This shaded part we have to find. How to find area of a remaining piece of cardboard is equal to area of trapezium minus area of water circle. Water circle BEFC. Removed means minus. How much we got? Trapezium 21.84 we got. Subtract. Quarter circle, how much we got? 13.86 centimeter square. Subtract 21.84 minus 13.86. Borrow here 7, here 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Next again borrow. Here 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Point. Here borrow 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. So how much you got means 7.98 centimeter square. What is this one? Therefore the area of remaining piece of cardboard, the remaining piece of cardboard AECD is equal to 7.98 centimeter square.